How to create a Crunchyroll account in 2025. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide I'll show you how you can sign up for Crunchyroll account using mobile. It's super easy, so let's get started. Now to do that, simply go and open up the Crunchyroll application from your iPhone or Android phone and make sure you have on this interface. And from this page, go and tap on create account at the bottom right here, and it's going to ask you to enter your email address. So go ahead and enter a valid email address. And once you have done this, go ahead and enter a password for your account. And once you're done, simply go and tap on create account and skip this page from here, and sometime it's going to send a verification code through your email address, so you have to verify the email address. And once you're done, just go ahead and select your profile from here, and a Crunchyroll account has been created. If I tap on this account section here, you'll get to see this is our account, and this is how you can create a Crunchyroll account using mobile. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.